Hey guys, back again at Shoes of Hollywood, doing another review for these beautiful red shoes. I've already seen these ones. They are the ADORE-701s. Come in beautiful red packaging. I love the black and red, suits everything I'm wearing today. So these shoes come in multiple different colours. You'll absolutely love them. The packaging is there so that it keeps all your shoes safe. They come in individual ones, so they have this one, and also put that there, a travel bag. So if you need to go anywhere, you can take your beautiful shoes with you and keep them safe. Yes, these are the beautiful pleasers. They actually have the grip bottoms this time. So you can tell you won't be falling over anytime soon. And nice squishy inside soles. The beautiful golden red. Can't go wrong. Absolutely beautiful. 7 inches. It's nice and high for all you short ones out there like me. So I'll take you over here. They also come with a strap, which is for more stability. But personally, these are my favourite. As you can see, the strap is very wide, so it makes it very easy to stand in. Very good for when you're walking around. Take a look here. Personally, without the strap, it looks a lot better. For all your models out there. And I'll show you a side profile of these beautiful shoes as well. As you can tell, they make your legs look a lot longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know how I'm doing, as this is my first time here at the shop. So yeah, comment on the section below and let me know how I'm going. Actually picked up with the heat today. So as you can tell, they're very easy to walk in. Very squishy soles, so this is actually one of the comfiest ones that I've worn today. Absolutely beautiful. It's probably about 25 degrees, I'd say, out this morning or this afternoon. You can see the glisten in the sun, since the sun's come out finally. For a Moldy, I thought it would be quite, hot, considering the sun is actually out. But apparently it's supposed to be winter, so Absolutely beautiful. These are definitely my favourite. And they sit everything. Up here, I'll show you them again. The light. We head back inside. Okay, so that was our Adore 701s. Make sure you come and actually have a look on the website and have a look at these ones. They come in multiple different colours. You'll love that. And the strap. So again, like and subscribe and let me know how I did in the comments section, and I'll see you next time.